Hello again, Tiny Tots. I am back to teach you how to do our first project for the week. Now, hopefully you watched our other video, our first lesson for the week, where I talked about the chick and the ch sound. We are going to make our very own chick. So first I want to show you what you're going to need. You are going to need a piece of construction paper and really any other paper that you want, and markers or crayons. And I have, you don't have to have it on a plate like this, but I have a plate. I have a fork, just a plastic fork or any fork will do, some yellow paint, and I have little construction paper triangles with orange. And I have some different googly eyes. Now, you don't have to use googly eyes. If you don't have them, you can use construction paper, or after your paint dries, you could even use crayons, and that would work. So what you're going to do first, have your grown-up helper right at the top. CH is for chick. And then draw a nice oval. I used a yellow marker. Can you see that on there? Let me bring it a little closer so you can see I drew a yellow oval. Okay? So that's going to help set up the shape for our body for our chick. And next we're going to make the feathers. So we just use the fork and we dip it in the yellow paint. And all we do is press and drag it a little bit to create feathers. Okay, and you're going to fill in the entire oval. You're just going to keep dipping the fork and dragging it on your paper. Dip and drag. If you get a big clump, that's okay. Just spread it out with your fork. Dip and drag. Now, am I done? No, I still have to fill in the middle. So I'm going to keep going. There, much better. Now, if you want, you can make a little tuft on the top like his little head feathers. You could even make some wings coming out from the side. It's up to you. It's your chick. You decide how you want your chick to look. Okay? Next, you are going to glue on your beak. You just need one little dot of glue, and then you're going to stick it on. Okay? And then you have your googly eyes. Again, you just need one dot of glue. Just like that. Okay? And you're going to stick it on. Now this chick is going to be silly. He's going to have two different sized eyes. I always think they look silly but cute when we do that. He's kind of a crazy chick, right? And then you can draw legs. Now on this one I used an orange marker. You can use an orange pencil or an orange crayon. I happen to have this one here. So I'm going to draw his little legs. And there is my chick. I hope you make one at home, and I hope you have a lot of fun doing it. Thanks, friends, and have a great day.